Good morning, Alif. Welcome to the interview for the assistant accountant position at Milan Sendirian Berhad. I am Afif, the HR manager, and this other person is Iman, our senior accountant. We are excited to meet you. To start, can you tell us about yourself and why you are interested in this role?
Okay, first of all, good morning, Mr. Afif and Mr. Iman. Thank you for having me here today. I am Alif, a final year accounting student at University Tenaga Nasional, UNITEN. I have complete course in financial accounting and management accounting, and I also intern at a local firm where I handle bookkeeping and reconcile accounts. I am interested in Milan Sendirian Berhad because of your commitment to support small business with accurate financial services, which is it aligns with my passion for helping clients achieve financial clarity, and this role is a great opportunity to apply my skill and grow professionally in your company.
Okay, that's a great start, Alif. It's clear you have researched our company. Let's review your resume briefly. I see you have listed an internship where you assisted with financial statements. Can you tell us more about that experience and how it prepared for you for the assistant accountant role?
During my 3 months internship at a small accounting firm, I assist in preparing monthly financial statement for five clients. My tasks include in reconciling bank statement, posting journal entries, and also ensuring all transactions were recorded accurately. I also use QuickBooks to generate balance sheet and income statement, which is it will be reviewed by our senior accountant. This intern experience taught me the importance of accuracy and meeting deadlines. The skills I believe are essential for the assistant account role at Milan Sendirian Berhad.
That is a relevant experience. Now, let's move to a technical question. Can you explain what you understand by the accrual accounting principle and how you have applied it in your studies or internship?
So what I understand is accrual accounting means recognizing revenues and expenses when they are earned or incurred, not when the cash change hands. For an example, during my internship, I record a client utility expenses for December, even though the bill was paid in January. I debit utility expenses and credit accounts payable to ensure the financial statement reflect the expense in the correct period. This will help this will help maintain the accurate reporting for the client year-end accounts.
Well explained. Let's talk about teamwork, which is crucial here. Can you describe the time when you faced a tough deadline in team project? What was your role and how did it turn out?
So based on my previous group project for my accounting class, we had to analyze a company financial statements in 5 days. I took the role of coordinating tasks and double checking our calculations. But then, when our one of my teammates fell behind due to the software issue, I helped them to export the data to the Excel, which is save a lot of time. We successfully submit the project a day earlier and score 90% with our lecturer praising our teamwork and accuracy.
That shows strong collaboration. Now, let's explore adaptability. Can you tell us about a time when you had to adjust to a significant change in a project or task? How did you handle it?
In my management accounting course, our group was tasked with the assignment, which is creating a budget for a mock company. Halfway through, our lecturer changed the project scope, which is requiring us to incorporate a 20% cost reduction. I suggest that we will evaluate our assumptions and prioritize essential expenses. And I led a brainstorming session to identify cost-saving measures like reducing overhead costs, and we revised the budget in 2 days. Our final submission was comment for its realistic adjustment, earning us an A plus.
That's a great example of flexibility. Now, a situational question. Imagine you are working with a client who submits incomplete financial records, causing delays in preparing their accounts. How will you handle this situation?
So, I would start by contacting the client politely to request the missing records and explaining to them how they are needed to complete their accounts accurately. I would also offer to guide them on what specific documents are required, like invoice or receipts, to make it easier work. If the issue persists, I would inform my supervisor and suggest a meeting with the client to discuss their record keeping process. Meanwhile, I would work with the available data to prepare a preliminary report to ensure that we stay on the correct track. This approach maintains the professionalism and keeps the project moving.
Now that's a client-oriented approach. Let's talk about your goals. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? And how does this role fit into that plan?
Okay, in 5 years, my goal is to be the certified accountant that possibly with a CPA certificate. And my goal is to working as a trusted financial advisor in a firm like Milan Sendirian Berhad. This assistant accountant role is a perfect stepping stone for my career because it is offer hands-on experience with financial reporting and client interactions. I am eager to learn from your team and contribute to accurate and reliable financial services for your clients in your company.
Wow, it's great to hear your ambition. Before we close, do you have any questions for us?
Yes, thank you. Could you share how Milan Sendirian Berhad supports the professional development of its assistant accountants, especially for a student like me looking to grow in the field? Yeah.
Good question. We provide training on accounting software like QuickBook and regular feedback sessions with senior accountants. For students, we offer mentorship to bridge the gap between academic knowledge and real world practice, preparing you for certifications like CPA.
That sounds great. And I have one more question to ask. What's the most challenging aspect of the assistant accountant role? And also, how does the team in your company support new hires in overcoming it?
Okay, great question. The biggest challenge is often managing multiple client deadlines during peak periods like tax season. Our team supports new hires with time management training and regular check-ins to prioritize tasks. Senior accountants are always available to guide you through complex client queries, ensuring you are not overwhelmed.
Thank you, Olive, for your thoughtful answers and great questions. We have learned a lot about your skills and enthusiasm. We will review your performance and follow up soon. Any final comments?
No. Thank you, Mr. Afif and Mr. Iman, for this opportunity today. I am really excited about the chance to join Milan Sendirian Berhad and contribute to your team's success in future. I look forward to hearing from you, and I am happy to provide any additional information you might need for my application.
We appreciate that, Alif. We'll be in touch. Have a great day.
Thank you, and goodbye, Alif.
Goodbye.